Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you solve your iPhone issues. These simple troubleshooting tips for common problems might help you get your iPhone back on tracks. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I'm gonna tell you about how to deal with poor battery life. For battery issues, start by looking at which apps or services are logging the most use. You can view a chart of battery use by opening settings. Next, tap on battery. Next, scroll down to the graph chart that shows battery usage by the hour with a list of apps and services along with the amount of battery they have used below it. Look for an app running in the background. You will see the background activity below the app's name. If it's higher than you think it should be, for this, go back to settings page and then choose general option. Next, scroll down and then tap on background app refresh and turn off the app's ability to update itself when you are not using it. It's actually a good idea to go through this list and turn off any app you don't need to update in the background, even if it isn't currently causing battery issue. And you are done. Next, I'm going to tell you about running low on storage space. Apple built a storage management tool into iOS that not only shows you what's taking up space but also recommends action you can take to fix the problem. For this, go to settings. Next, go to general option and then choose iPhone storage. When the information loads, go through the recommendation list to see what steps Apple suggests you to take, and then go through the list of apps to see which are using the most storage. Tap an app to view more information, including options to delete data associated with the app. For example, the music app will allow you to remove albums you have downloaded to your device for offline access, and you are done. Next, I'm going to tell you about correct glitches and bugs with this simple step. For random issues and bugginess like an iPhone that isn't staying connected to Wi-Fi, keeps freezing up or is just running really slow, for this, force restart it. It may sound obvious or dull, but it's the same approach as restarting a computer that's acting up, and oftentimes it cures whatever ails your iPhone. For this, you just need to press the power button and volume down button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. Next, I'll tell you more common issues and quick fixes. There are of course other steps you can take to get your iPhone back up and running. Something as simple as a software update could be the key. So check for and install any pending software updates in settings. Then scroll down and go to general option, choose software update and wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update is available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS. If an app is constantly crashing when you try to open or use it, check for any pending update in the App Store. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on the profile at the top right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down and then tap on update all to update all the apps. And you are done. For a phone that's struggling to stay connected to your wireless carrier or Wi-Fi network, starting with turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. For this, swipe down from the top right side to open the control center and then tap on the airplane icon to enable it. Wait for some seconds and then tap on it again to disable it. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix your iPhone issues, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.